Welcome back, everybody. Today I have some Matchbox cars to show y'all, but first, just a reminder, this is still up for grabs for the giveaway, the 88 Honda CRX Super Treasure Hunt. The way to tell that this Super Treasure Hunt, I've had a few people ask, how do you know? Well, the wheels are rubber. You can't tell from the paint because of the white, but it is a different shade of white. And then also this 25TH right there, if you can see that, the TH stands for Treasure Hunt. And then also, you can't really see it, but there's a gold circle behind the card, or behind the car on the card. So yeah. We're only 25 subscribers away before I do the raffle, and you also are getting an Evolutions pack. So, let's get there. Let's see if we can get there soon, because I'm tired of looking at this car. But today we have this case of Matchbox cars. This is the new 2021 moving parts cars. So, I've already opened it. I didn't take anything out yet. I just wanted to see what was in it. And we'll start with the 2000 Nissan. We'll put this right here. The 2000 Nissan Xterra. I'm not going to open these, but they're real dusty, Jesus. But yeah. I believe the trunk opens. And I've noticed that they've just been redoing all the other moving parts from previous years. There was an Xterra last year, I believe. I think it was yellow. So this year it's black. Very detailed. Not too bad. I believe it's one per case. We'll see if we get more. But this one I know is one per case. This is the 06 Ford Crown Victoria taxi car. So, the back doors open on that. And then a lot of people aren't too big of a fan of this. Sorry for the glare. But I think this is, I don't know if they made a moving parts taxi. I don't remember. I'd have to pull out my sets. I don't feel like doing that right now. And I think the rest are two per case. So those two, there was only one. So yeah, you get, and this is the 2016 Chevy Camaro with the opening hood. They've definitely made this last year's blue. They've made it in the Superfast as well. I think it was green. I think. Not sure, but the wheels, these are my favorite wheels on all Matchbox cars. They're like a really dark bronze. I don't know why, but they just look cool. Anytime sometimes I'll do a wheel swap on a Hot Wheel and grab the wheels off one of these and swap it over. But there it is. And you get two of those in the case. Alright, and then we got the Divco milk truck. This was a new casting last year. It was the milk truck. I think it actually had milk. No, it wasn't. I think it was just a delivery truck. I don't remember. Too long ago. Not really, but this one. It has Matchbox Speed Shop Deco. I know the back door is open on this one. It doesn't say anything on the back of these. But if you like these, you'll get two of them in the case. Me personally, no. They were cool last year. I know they sold when they first came out. They were selling for stupid amounts. Now they're everywhere. And the last two cars that you will get, my favorite, the 04 Honda S2000. This was a super fast in yellow in 2019, I believe. So I'm glad that they got this back out. My favorite rims. The same design, just a gold color. We got the open hood. It's convertible, don't fancy convertibles, but hey, it's still a nice car. So you get 2 of those, and that is all that you get in this box. So that will do it today. I don't think I have anything to showcase. No. Oh, I could showcase some stuff. So I ended up opening all those hoops, and it was 65 packs. I couldn't wait, but we did get a Kobe Bryant Slam magazine card. This is the insert from Random Pack. The one that I have, there's one I have that I sent to PSA. I'm still waiting on it to come back, but it's a holographic one of these. That's nice. We got LeBron James. So we got 3 LaMelo Ball rookie cards. And we got a few numbered cards. Tobias Harris, numbered to 25. Not too bad. I think that was the only 25 one. Yeah. Well, actually, no. There was another one. We pulled Jalen Smith rookie card number 25 of 25. It's the last one that was made. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I did not find any Pokemon cards today, but I did order something huge off eBay that I'm pretty sure y'all are gonna like. So stay tuned for that. It'll be here next week. And I'm still on the fence on if I even want to open it. So I will try to make a video tomorrow. Until then, I will see you later.